Congratulations on your new Guard Me by Babydan, the world's first auto-foldable safety guard. This video shows you how extremely easy it is to install Guard Me. Before mounting Guard Me, please read and follow the instructions carefully for correct installation and keep for future reference. Guard Me can be mounted on the inside as well as the outside of a door frame. It can also be mounted at the top or the bottom of stairs. When mounted inside a door frame, the guard fits openings of 64.5 to 89 centimeters, up to 113.5 centimeters by using the extender guard. If your opening has a threshold, start by measuring the height of your threshold. If it's higher than 2.5 centimeter, your Guard Me must be mounted outside the door frame. Start by separating the key from the two protectors. The protectors are needed when your guard is mounted on the outside of a door frame. Place the key on the floor or threshold, and place the hinge side wall fitting on top of it. Using the key ensures the right distance from the floor or threshold. Attach the hinge side wall fitting to the wall or door frame using the long screws. Use a spirit level. Use the key the same way to attach the handle side wall fitting, using the short screws. Read the instructions to find the correct number of panels to cover your opening and remove or add panels. To remove panels, you simply use the small bud on the key to unlock the panel from the rest of the guard and slide it off. Adding panels is just a matter of sliding the panel onto the guard until you hear a click. Once your Guard Me safety guard has the right width, you slide the end panel onto the guard. Fit the end panel into the hinge side wall fitting. Top and bottom must be fitted simultaneously. Secure it with the screw sockets and screws. Close and open the guard to see if it fits perfectly. The guard should click into the lock easily and fall back automatically when you pull and push the locking mechanism on the wall fitting. Always adjust the barrier to ensure it is as tight as possible. If the guard needs adjusting, you can loosen the screws and push the guard further into or pull the guard further out of the wall fitting. Now your Guard Me safety guard is ready for use. When mounting Guard Me outside a door frame, it fits openings of 55 to 79.5 centimeters, up to 103.5 centimeters by using the extender guard extension kit. Slide the protector on the top of the handle side wall fitting. Which protector you need depends on which way your Guard Me is mounted. The protector should slope from the wall outwards. First, mount the hinge side wall fitting using the key. The edge of the wall fitting should align with the door frame. When mounted outside a door frame, the handle side wall fitting must be placed sidewards and must be aligned with the door frame. Use the long screws for this wall fitting. If the safety barrier is used at the bottom of the stairs, it should be positioned at the front of the lowest step, not on the stairs. If the safety guard is used at the top of the stairs, it should be positioned on the floor, not on the stairs. Please note that when used at top of stairs, the panel guard must be mounted at least 9 centimeters from the first step, at least 13 centimeters if you're using an extender guard extension kit. When mounting Guard Me at the top of stairs, it's crucial that you adjust the barrier to ensure it is as tight as possible, so there's no risk of the barrier stretching over the edge of the top stair. Once you've mounted and adjusted the guard, please make a final check to make sure that the safety guard does not stretch over the edge of the stairs. Guard Me can be extended with one extender guard extension kit. The extension panels are also ready to slide onto the guard in the same way you add extra panels. Please note that the screws provided are only intended for fixing into wood. If fixing into other material, use appropriate screws and wall plugs from your local craftsman. Please visit babydan.com for more information on home safety. Babydan. Eyes for safety.